Hey everybody, this is Todd with Todd Judy Ford. I'm very excited to announce our September sales event. We're kicking it off with Labor Day, but it will run for the entire month of September. This is going to be the easiest way you've ever purchased a vehicle, the most transparent pricing in the industry. We promise you, nobody will make it any easier. And what we're doing is we're selling every one of our new Fords at 1% over true dealer cost. And I'm going to show you a couple of invoices here, the actual factory invoice, to show you how we can arrive at that figure. But it doesn't matter, you'll pick out one of the vehicles that's on the lot and you'll be able to buy that vehicle at 1% over our dealer cost. Nothing hidden. So I've got a couple of invoices to show you right here so you can figure out how that works. So what I've got here is a factory invoice for a F-150. So this is an actual F-150 that's right on our lot. As you can see here at the top, it was billed out to Todd Judy Ford, and that's our phone number right there. And this vehicle has all of the equipment listed here with the price on it. It'll show you what the retail price is and then the invoice price on it. Now down here at the bottom, you've got this figure, which I've highlighted, and that's the invoice total. So that's a total of the vehicle with all of the options. This HB here is a coded figure that refers to holdback, and holdback is money that the dealership gets after the sale of the vehicle. So what we do to find the true dealer cost, which most dealers are not going to tell you this, is we take the invoice total, subtract the holdback, and that's how we come up with the true dealer cost, and you'll pay 1% over that figure. Here's another example of an Escape. Again, this is one that's right off of our lot. Here's the equipment on the Escape. It's a brand new Ford Escape 2020. There's the invoice total highlighted, the coded holdback figure, and then the true dealer cost, which you can pay 1% over. So the way that works, you'll pick out any of our vehicles that's on the lot, any new Ford, we'll print that invoice out, we'll show you the exact figure. It doesn't get any easier to figure out what you've got to pay for a brand new Ford, and you still get all of our premier benefits. So we recommend you set an appointment. We look forward to seeing you, so hurry down here to Todd Judy Ford and get the best deal you'll ever get on a new Ford.